Are you wondering if YouTube TV limits the number of devices you can use with your subscription? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how many devices YouTube TV supports. If you're planning to share your account with family or friends, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does limit the number of devices that can stream simultaneously, but it also offers flexibility for households with multiple users. With a standard YouTube TV subscription, you can stream on up to 3 devices at the same time. This means you, your family, or roommates can watch different shows or games across 3 screens without any issues. In addition to the 3 simultaneous streams, YouTube TV allows you to create up to 6 user profiles per account. Each profile has its own personalized recommendations, DVR library, and settings, making it easy for everyone in the household to enjoy their favorite content independently. However, if more than 3 people try to stream at once, the 4th device will be prompted to stop playback on another active device. To avoid interruptions, ensure that unused devices are logged out or not streaming unnecessarily. If this video helped you understand YouTube TV's device limits, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.